Welcome students. In binary code, we already discussed some system like as ABCD, binary coded decimal, 84 minus 2 minus 1 and 2421. It is a self-complementary code. And in last topic, we discussed XS3 code. Every system have its own advantages and disadvantages, which we already discussed that. Today we will discuss the binary code. Here a binary code, the length is 7-bit. Length of one digit is 7-bit. It is weightage code. The weight of the each and every bits, it is in form of decimal, so it is very important that the number representation is in form of a weightage of each representation. This is an example of 7-bit code, and it is the special purpose for error detection. The purpose is error detection. How it can be helpful for the error? Before to understand, let us see how the decimal digit 0 to 9 can be represented in form of binary code. As I already mentioned that it is a 7-bit. And the weightage code, the weightage is such a way that 504321 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, total 7 bits. Okay, so first number is 0. 0 is represented by whatever the two zeros are there, remaining all bits are 0. Okay, 0 1 0 0 0 1, and 1 is represented by 0 1 0 0 0 1 0. 2 is represented by 0 1 0 0 1 0 0. 3 is 0 1 0 1 1 2 3 0, while a 4 is 0 1 1 and 4 0. 5. Here the pattern is changed. Now first two bits in the 0 to 4, it is 0 1. Now it will become 1 0. And after 5 there is no need to add any bits, only 0 is added. 6 1 0, so 5 plus 1, second last bit is 1. 7 5 plus 2, so third bit weightage is 2. 8 5 plus the fourth bit from the left hand side, 0 1 and 4 0. Sorry, 9 1 0 1 1 2 3 4. Okay, so every bit, total 7 bits are there. The weightage is 5 and 0. From first two bits MSB, 1 must be 1. In first 4 combination, 0 1 2 3 4, 0 is 1 and 5 is 0, and remaining all 1. First bit MSB is 1. So suppose the weightage is here, this will become 0 plus 0, this becomes 0 plus 1, 0 plus 2, 0 plus 3, 0 plus 4. Here 5 plus 0, 5 plus 1, 5 plus 2, 5 plus 3 and 5 plus 4. So you can easily understood that thing, the 7 bits, and the combination is that only 2 bits are 1 and other all 5 bits are 0. So this is the main concept about the binary code, that each decimal digit consists of 5 zeros and 2 ones placed according to the weightage of column. Remember that thing. The error detection property of this code may be understood of one realization, that the digital system represents binary 1 by 1 district value and binary 0 by second district value. As we know that the 0 is represented by 0 volt and 1 is represented by 5 volt. What happens at one signal tower and the other signal tower, point A to point B, if our signal is passing digital signal, and we will know that there is many type of the noise is added here. Such a way that 5 volt can be convert towards the 0 or 0 volts can be towards the 1. So during this transmission, right, during this transmission of signals from one location to the another, an error may occur. One or more bit may be change value, and a circuit received at the side can be detect presence of the more than 2 ones. It can say that there is an error. Okay, if received combination of bit does not agree with the allowed combination, suppose I am transmitting here 6 is equal to 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 0. This is 7 bit. What happens due to the error signal? It receives 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0. So how many number of ones are there? 4 time. So it is a error code. If this number again it is received like as 1 and all remaining 6 bits are 0, so it is also error. Only 2 bits are 1 in each decimal digits and 5 zeros, this combination is not matched, then easily receiver can say that it detect error. Okay, it detect error. So this is the best code for error detection, but the limitation is that there is required 7 bit, and 7 bit as the width is increased, obviously the length of our whole data package will become more. Instead of 4, it is required a 7 bit, so it's required almost double space to transmit the data. So binary code advantages is that it can be easily detect the error. It is weightage code, but the thing is that it's require a double space to send the particular data comparatively with BCD or another binary coded a decimal value. I hope is it making sense? The purpose of binary code, advantages and disadvantages of the things. Have a good day.